Here's how to connect your custom domain to your website. Start by going to the Domain Settings tab on your website. You'll see your current domains and a field to input a custom domain. Before adding it, log into your GoDaddy account and navigate to your domain's DNS settings. Make sure there are no templates or existing configurations applied, and remove any CNAME records or other DNS entries that might interfere with a new setup. Once cleared, proceed to add the new records. In your DNS settings, click Add New Record. For the first record, set the type to A and enter the @ symbol as the name. For the value, input 65.39.250.34. For the second record, set the type to CNAME and enter www as the name. For the value, input dns.decoapparel.com. Save this record once completed. After successfully adding the records, copy the domain name you plan to use. Return to your website's dashboard, go to Add Domain, paste the custom domain into the field, and click Add. Once the domain is added, you'll need to revalidate it before use. Click Revalidate, and if you see the error Domain Failure Validation, don't worry. DNS updates can take time. It might take anywhere from a few minutes to over an hour to propagate. Keep hitting Revalidate periodically until the top bar turns green, indicating the domain has passed validation. Once validation is complete, update the SSL settings. Go to the SSL tab and click Save to use the free SSL certificate provided with your website. This installs the encrypted certificate, which can take up to 10 minutes. During this time, you'll see 3 dots indicating the certificate is deploying. Once the SSL certificate is active, you'll see a checkmark. Finally, set your custom domain as the primary domain. Select it in the domain settings and make it primary. Once the SSL certificate clears, your website will be live. You can confirm by clicking on the domain, which should take you to your store. That's how you connect, validate, and fully set up your custom domain for your website.